Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today is 2011 Kia Sorento, stock number 6954. This ran from the 10th 2009 to the 9th 2012. It's a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine based on 6-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory naked tyre, front bonnet, left front door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory naked tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory naked tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 18-inch factory naked tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, another gear shifter, AC control, factory 26 stereo, rear mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-stroke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,